Huh. It's supposed to be storming. See if we can get the lightning again. Getting ready to do something. These clouds look weird. Fly, birdies, fly. See what it looks like out here right now. So far it ain't doing, it's gotten dark, but it's not really doing much right now. Oh, there we go. Now we're starting to get some lightning. Now we're getting some lightning. And some thunder. Could oddly say is oddly calming, surprisingly. That's what it looks like right now, temperature-wise.
With nearly a half an inch, if not more.
Rain gauge there.
Glenview, Lombard, here in the city, and Highland Park. Now, here are the WeatherBug cameras. This is the one up in the Three Oaks Recreation Area up by Crystal Lake. Here's the downtown area, and look at the way the skies have darkened there, and of course the visibilities have come down, and we're looking south toward the skyline from Northwestern, and there's that dark sky that has taken over the scene here in the last couple of hours, and boy, the heavens have opened. We're on the north end of a thunderstorm area. The greatest risk for really heavy weather is downstate and the thunderstorm watch area. We mentioned some time ago that the Storm Prediction Center that puts these watches out indicated several hours ago they had no intention of putting a watch up for Chicago. What that indicates is organized severe weather isn't expected, but that doesn't preclude hail, some gusty winds, and some vigorous downpours. Lakeshore flood advisories and warnings on the other side of the lake in anticipation of the backside circulation of this storm churning Lake Michigan, and you can see the advisories out in the plains. Needless to say, a near 100% chance of rain tonight. It will.
So here's what it looks like right now.
Give this mail to your papa. Okay. I'm gonna toss it. Woo! Thank you. Yep. Bye. Bye-bye.
So far, nothing. It is cooling off a little bit, though, too. Feels like it. But yeah, this is what it looks like out right now. Like I said, I don't think we're really gonna get anything too severe. But we'll see what happens. You never know. Come on, man. So we'll see what happens. You can see it started to rain now. It's not raining heavily though. It's actually nice, one of them nice peaceful rains. Oh, getting some lightning now. And some thunder. Wind's starting to pick up now. Felt a little bit of a gust. And it's raining heavily now. I don't really lightning or thundered anymore. It's dark over that way. But over this way it's starting to lighten up, so. Like I said, I don't think it's going to be anything really severe. We might actually, we're pretty much going to miss out, I think, on the severe weather. But it would surprise me if we do get some gusty storms. It's still raining. As you can see, getting a little wet here. Let's step back a little bit. As you can see, it's still raining. It's coming down pretty good. By the way, they're getting ready to put a new back porch on, and so that's why everything's kind of a mess right now here. Well, so far, like I said, there's been 0 watches, 0 warnings for years, so. Oh, I can't say that the raining kind of relaxing to listen to. Every once in a while, you might be able to see, I don't know if you can see the lightning or not. Coming down even harder, it seems like now. That light just kicked on there. Well, let's see what happens.
Interesting to see if those are extended back into more of northwest Indiana, even the Chicago shoreline, late tomorrow night and into Thursday, and wind advisories out in the plains. So here's our storm. We've been on its warm side, but the cold side comes in with wind starting later tomorrow. And look at that corridor of wind. It runs the length of the lake. This gives maximum time for the wind to exchange kinetic energy with the lake surface and build up waves. There are the winds tomorrow morning. They start roaring later in the day tomorrow, and then they're really blowing. They could gust to 40 miles an hour at times later tomorrow night, and on Thursday, as you can see, till late in the day. So the waves are going to come up, and it could even be windy into Thursday night. Big buckle in the jet stream keeps the storm a slow mover, and that means it's going to be around into Thursday. But nice weather's back Friday and Saturday. Saturday could see 74 in Chicago, and then we head into a chilly week next week. We'll talk some more about that at 9 and 10. Nancy Addy captures more of the spring beauty out in LaPorte County. Here are some little ones, these goslings, lined up in a row. Nancy says even their behinds are kind of adorable. Stephanie Klein found these blooms on the cherry tree out in Lake Villa, and she says she has no idea what this cocoon is, but she presumes it might be for butterflies. I'm sure we'll hear from somebody watching what they think that is. And Cindy Baranowski in Lombard says she's so grateful not to be missing all of spring. Look at the beautiful flowers out there in Lombard. And Alyssa Davis, isn't that gorgeous, Micah? And look at the critters of spring out in Huntsville. Not Huntsville, that's down in Alabama, in Huntley. Huntley, Illinois. And boy, I tell you, everybody's, all the little, see you, Micah. See you, Joe.
So you can see the temperature's now dropped.
To the sky to see a unique tribute to workers on the front lines.
So you see my weather information here. Yeah, it is 6:52 currently.
No problem. We're here for you. You've got your phone right there. Pick it up now and call or click for
So
a
yeah,
at UAI.com.
could I say? Rain so far.
We know our community is facing challenges during these difficult times. Your local
But yeah.
dealer is here to help. For our customers